Sunday afternoon. We're getting ready for Sunday's race, obviously. We ended up first in GT2 yesterday, and they're taking our positions from yesterday's race for this afternoon's grid. So we'll be starting in 4th position off the pole, and looks like there's a full field of cars. The boys got the car already, and should be on the track in about 15 minutes.
GT2, car number 110, Martin Barkley.
Car's all loaded up. We had a pretty good run. We ended up grabbing first today as well, so back-to-back doubleheader weekend was 2 firsts in GT2. No collisions today. Just a nice clean race, and had some great competition from a couple of the other guys here. The team put a lot of effort in. Car ran great, not any single issues. Great pit stop for us all. Everyone pitched in. Canada Day is our next race. We're at Mbrp, so it'll be our first 90-minute race. I'd like to say thanks to all of our sponsors: ATS, Jackson Transportation Services, the Tire Discounter, Prax Air as well, Jake Media, Mbrp, Performance Exhaust, and of course the Garage.